Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best shower tile cleaner that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Radon Seal Fluorescence Remover. It is a safe product that is non-corrosive on your skin, you can use it for indoor cleaning, and has a zero VOC formula. With no odor, you have an easy time when cleaning your floors, and is 70% effective compared to glycolic acids. It comes in a ready-to-use bottle that allows you to spray it with ease without brushing the floor. The product is safe to use on pavers, blocks, brick, concrete, and other masonry surfaces. A little of this product goes a long way to maintain your surfaces and prevents them from getting damaged with water. It is highly recommended for home use and offers value for money. Moving on at number 4, we have Miracle Sealants COUKL320Z6 Counter Clean Spray Cleaners. Use this product on tile and natural stone surfaces, including polished marble, ceramic tile, travertine, granite, and limestone. It is a product that was designed to clean your shower's floor and is ideal for maintaining your kitchen area. The model boasts of acid-free and non-abrasive formula that lets you clean without worrying about anything. It is a cleaner that gets rid of light stains, dust, and dirt with ease. Use on natural stone and tile surfaces, including and as a kitchen cleaner on polished marble, limestone, granite, travertine, and ceramic tile. What's more, it comes in a ready-to-use spray and covers up to 500 square feet for 32 ounces of the cleaner. Thanks to its non-rinse formula, you save time and money when cleaning your surfaces. At number 3, we have Stonetech Daily Cleaner. Daily Cleaner was designed to clean everyday messes on your shower's tile and natural stone. It is the ideal product for cleaning limestone, slate, travertine, granite, marble, flagstone, sandstone, ceramic, grout, porcelain tile, concrete, and masonry. The product boasts of neutral, gentle formula that leaves behind a clean scent to make your bathroom more welcoming. And you do not need to dilute anything, the liquid comes inside a simple, ready-to-use bottle. The product ensures you get value for your money by letting you clean a large surface with a little cleaner. You do not need a professional to help you with the cleaning since it is an easy-to-use product. At number 2, we have Black Diamond Stonework Stone and Tile Intensive Cleaner. Wants to enjoy deep and safe cleaning? The Stone and Tile Intensive Cleaner should be your product as it does not damage natural stones or tile surfaces. You need to mix 1 gallon of the cleaner with water to get 32 gallons of cleaning material, giving you value for money. Black Diamond Stone and Tile Intensive Cleaner is a safe, biodegradable deep cleaning for all polished and honed natural stone and tile surfaces. Cleaning stone and cleaning tile surfaces will remove even the deepest soil from all natural stone, tile grout, concrete, marble, granite, slate, limestone, terrazzo, river rock, sandstone, brick, and more. The model does not contain any acid or harsh abrasives that can make it challenging to use. What that means is that you can use it on polished marbles without worrying about anything. It is made in the USA and follows all the industry guides. You can use it to clean tile, grout, marble, granite, concrete, limestone, brick, slate, and travertine. And finally at number 1. Clean EEZ Cleaning Products Grout EEZ Super Heavy Duty Grout Cleaner. Used by professionals, the Grout EEZ removes stains, dirt, and grease from your porcelain and ceramic tile to leave it clean. It is a heavy-duty product that is tested and approved for professional use in the grout and tile cleaning industry. There are 3 reasons why you should consider this product, which is easy to use, fast to use, and it works. It is a cleaner that can save you hundreds of bucks since you do not need to seek professional help when using it. With an easy pour spout, a little of this product goes far to clean about 250 square feet of tiles. It is made in the USA. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.